Okay. Today class, now what I will do is to discuss the capital budgeting technique. Now, particularly if you have profitability index, if you have internal rate of return, techniques in capital budgeting. No? So my question, papaano to? No? For example, RJ Damang Company is considering the purchase of a machine that promises to reduce operating costs by equal amounts for every year of its 6-year useful life. The machine will cost 840 and has no salvage value, and the machine has a 20% internal rate of return. The AL company is subject to a 40% income tax rate. So the present value of one for 6 periods at 20% is 3.326, and at the end of the 6th period naman is 0.3349. So ang tanong po is, what is the approximate annual cash savings before tax? Okay. So with this class, if you notice, ano po yung given, no? So in this problem, ang given po is the 20%, no? So 20% of the internal rate of return. Okay? Ibig sabihin, ito na yung present value of annuity of 1. Ito naman yung present value of 1. Kasi ang tanong is, magkano yung annual savings? Since given na po, ang 840 the machine costs. Okay. Ano nga yung IRR natin, no? In the IRR, if you notice, in the IRR, NPV daw is 0. Okay. So if NPV is 0, ano ibig sabihin? Ibig sabihin, the present value of your cash flow ay kaparehas lang ng ating net investment. 'Di ba? Yan yung ating IRR, no? IRR kasi NPV is 0. Therefore, present value of your cash flow minus your net investment is equal to 0. Ano ba ang tanong dito? Ang tanong dito is magkano yung cash flow mo to be multiplied by, since ito ay equal, so to be multiplied by the present value of the ordinary annuity minus your net investment. Okay, so minus your net investment. And this one is 0. Okay. Class, ito yung question mark cash flow. Since we have now the present value of 3.326, so just multiply it by 3.326. Okay. Minus, magkano yung net investment? Di ba given ha? You have 840. So if your net investment is 840,000, ilagay mo lang. So is equal to 0. Okay. So gawin natin, yung 840, lagay mo sa kabila. So, ang mangyayari class is 3.326 cash flow or cash savings is equal to, class, ito ay negative, lagay mo sa kabila, anong mangyayari? Magiging na siyang positive. So, ibig sabihin, magiging na siyang 840,000. So, in terms of the 840,000 minus 0. Okay, plus pala, plus. Makukuha na natin? Yes. Paano? E di divide mo lang to ng 3.326, divide it by the 3.326, makukuha na natin yung ating cash flow. Magkano yung cash flow natin? Okay. I'll get my calculator. So, ibig sabihin, so you have here 840,000. Okay. So, if you have now already, okay, I'll get my calculator first, no? So, if you have this, okay, yan. So, if you have 840, 840,000, just divide it by 3.326. Again, yan po yung given ha. 3.326, tama. So, magkano yung cash flow natin? Yung cash flow natin ay 250,000. 52,555.62. Ito na po yung ating answer. O, to check kung tama tayo, edi present value of your cash flow minus our net investment is equal to zero because you are using your IRR of 20%. And na-compute na natin, di ba? E di 252,555.62, just multiply it by 3.326 minus 840K. Dapat yan po ay zero. Check natin. 252,555.62 times 3.326. Okay? Tama ba? Oh, ito ay 840 minus 840. You have here 0. Ibig sabihin, tama po ang ating cash flow. Alright? So, yun lang, no? So, our basic here, or to understand here, is the IRR, that the NPV is 0. And also, we have the formula in computing for the NPV, wherein the present value minus your net investment. So, if you want to know more about my topic, about this video, no, please like and share my video and follow Buster Accounting. Thank you very much and hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.